Are the terrible twos keeping you from working out really hard to slow down your Parkinson's? Does this time of year, with the days being shorter and a little cooler, do you feel your body start to slow down and you feel a little sluggish and maybe your mood is a little bluer? My name is Kimberly Berg. I'm a clinical exercise physiologist and I own the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. I've worked with Parkinson's for almost 20 years, and I've also worked in cardiac rehab. I've worked in orthopedics. I've worked with the general population and competitive and performing athletes. This time of year makes everybody feel just a little bit more sluggish, slower. We tend to eat heavier meals. We lay around more. Maybe we sit and watch more TV. In the summertime, it's very inviting to go outside and be around people and do fun things. You think you're busy. Maybe something happened where you had to take a little break from working out. Maybe you had a surgery or an illness, and now you just can't get back in that game. Well, this break or slowing of your system really will exacerbate your Parkinson's, and your Parkinson's will progress more. I see it happen all the time, and winter is when that tends to happen. And why is that? It's because our Parkinson's tells us a story that isn't true, that it's too cold to work out, it's too dark, it's too wet, I'm too tired, it's too early, it's too late. All of those are excuses that Parkinson's loves. That's when it thrives. And remember, if you start isolating yourself and eating heavier meals, you're just going to feel worse about yourself. And when we start to isolate, our cognition gets worse. And if your cognition gets worse, then your fall risk goes way up. You're going to start falling more. So let's bulletproof ourselves this winter. We're going to get in the game. And how do we do that? You get involved with a program. You cannot do this alone. You need a path. So we are here for you. You can get involved with our programs. We have our in-gym programs. We have virtual. We have live. So it's very interactive. So that breaks up that isolation. If you are being led by a coach and have a second pair of eyes on you, you're more likely to move bigger and smile and feel better. You feel like you're part of a community. This is so important. Don't let these winter months start to slow you down. It'll happen without you even knowing it. So you have to stay in that game. I'm challenging you this winter. So find your community, and we certainly can provide that for you. Go to my website, rebelfitclub.com, where you can check out the schedule. We can meet you in any time zone. We have both recorded and live classes, but in our gym, this is all we do. We have classes all day long at all levels. You can also contact me, Kimberly, at Rebel Fit Club. I'll tell you all about our classes, whether it's the boxing boot camps, our yoga, Tai Chi for better balance. We have drumming, we have dancing, we have voice. This is a great time to really work on yourself and just make yourself bulletproof. You can also contact me, Kimberly, at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to tell you about some of the programs that I teach, which is our Balance Builders course. It's a 5-week course where you could supercharge your balance, get more confidence, and fall less. You can also join me for Posture School. We offer that both in the gym and virtual, and that will help you get your core strength back, make you stand up nice and tall, avoid that stoop posture that constricts our breathing and our digestion and affects our cognition. You can also do our virtual courses for our hands, get your feet working out. All these things are accessible to you. So go to my website, rebelfitclub.com. Check out everything. We can keep you in the game and not let those terrible twos get a hold of you. So never lose hope, because there is always hope. And go forth and conquer.